We adore performance. In celebration of the final year of second-generation NSX production, every 2022 Acura NSX produced at the Performance Manufacturing Center in Marysville, Ohio, will be a Type S model. Just 350 of the limited-run supercar will be built for global distribution, with 300 units destined for U.S. customers, marking the first time an NSX Type S has been sold outside of Japan. Instantly recognizable by its distinctive and more aggressive front and rear styling, NSX Type S also features unique 5-spoke wheels, stickier Pirelli P-Zero tires, retuned adaptive damper system, Type S decals, a standard carbon fiber roof and available Gotham Gray matte paint. Under its available carbon fiber engine cover is Acura's most powerful production drivetrain ever, an updated version of the supercar's twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter 75-degree V6 engine and 3-motor hybrid system that produces 600 horsepower and 492 pounds-foot of torque. Acceleration 0 to 60 miles per hour just under 3 seconds with maximum speed 191 miles per hour. NSX Type S routes power through a 9-speed dual-clutch transmission, which has been retuned for even greater performance. Enhancements include an all-new rapid downshift mode, more aggressive automatic downshifting, even faster upshifts in Sport and Sport Plus modes, and a higher rev threshold for downshifts in Track mode. NSX Type S cockpit enhanced with Alcantara headliner, embossed NSX logo on the headrests, and contrast stitching. New performance forged alloy split 5-spoke wheels are available in matte sharp gray or gloss Berlina black. Their increased negative offset widen the front and rear track. This not only improves the supercar's handling, but gives it an especially aggressive stance. 6-piston front and 4-piston Brembo brakes with red finished calipers are standard equipment. Upgrading to the lightweight package includes carbon ceramic Brembo brakes, available with black, silver, red or orange calipers, and yields a curb weight reduction of nearly 58 pounds. To maximize performance, Pirelli has developed a new P-Zero tire exclusively for the NSX Type S, utilizing advanced modeling technology developed through years of motorsports experience. Size 245/35Z, R19 at the front and 305/30Z, R20 at the rear. The tires feature an asymmetric tread pattern for excellent steering precision, rear stability and high grip in wet and dry conditions, and ultra-high performance tread compounds to provide outstanding handling and braking performance. The new design of NSX Type S remains rooted in the fundamental principles of total airflow management that has guided NSX design from the outset. The new nose, with its larger, more angular air intakes, and the rear end's larger diffuser work together for enhanced high-speed stability. The new shape of its carbon fiber front spoiler minimizes front aerodynamic lift by directing airflow under the car. Authentic materials are utilized throughout the NSX Type S, including the carbon fiber used for its front lower spoiler, side sills, rear deck lid spoiler and the new diffuser. A standard carbon fiber roof not only enhances the new design, but helps lower the supercar's center of gravity by reducing weight higher up in the car. 2022 NSX Type S pricing, $169,500. NSX Type S with lightweight package, $182,500.